So good day everyone, we are now reporting my report, which is the severity levels for intellectual disability. We have three domains, which is the conceptual domain, the social domain, and practical domain, and each domain have levels. So we will proceed to conceptual domain. So in severity level mild and conceptual domain, no obvious conceptual differences for preschool children. Children tend to have similar abilities in terms of their conceptual understanding or cognitive abilities. So, sa mild lang sa conceptual domain, there are no differences in other children. Same lang happening ang development through learning on their cognitive skills. Another one, as for school age, children and adults, difficulties in learning academic skills involving reading, writing, arithmetic, time or money with support needed in one or more areas in order to meet age-related expectations. So, not more, yes, no differences lang siya among children, but in terms of age, dili siya maapektuhan like sa atong kaidaron sa atong ages, we are much sakto lang atong pagsabot sa atong development sa learnings, but sa ila is low ilang progress, hinay. So for some individuals, these skills might be more challenging for them, like sa mga problem solving, reading and writing, maglisod sila og basa, not sa tungod sa ilang maglisod sila basa tungod sa ilang mga edad. So another one sa children to siya, and here comes adults. In adults, abstract thinking, executive functioning, and short-term memory as well as functional use of academic skills are impaired. So sa adults, makalimot short-term memory loss, so dali na sila makalimot. On not other sa atong same age nga para sa akong giingon which is sakto lang atong developmental skills, atong learning skills, pero sa ila low sila progress, and adults manglisod sila through doing the academic skills, and also naa sila short-term memory. Another one is somewhat concrete approach to problems and solution compared with age matters. They rely more on concrete information, have difficulty thinking abstractly or considering alternative solutions. So same as akong gainan na mas low ilang progress kasi sa tuang same age, dili nila ma-meet atong age expectation kay low ilang progress. So we have done the mild na conceptual domain. Now let's go for the moderate level of conceptual domain. So conceptual skills are markedly behind those of peers all through development. It means that an individual may experience delays or difficulties in acquiring or using abstract thinking, problem and solving, and higher level cognitive abilities. So same sa kangingon, so low ilang progress. And then for preschoolers, language and pre-academic skills develop slowly. Yes, it is slowly. Maglisod sila og like slow learner kumbaga. Lisod sila sabot, maglisod sila reading, writing, need sila assistance and guide. So for adults, academic skills development is typically at an elementary level, and support is required for all use of academic skills and work of personal life. So need nila og tao good na i-guide sila or i-guide sila or tawag ana. It means may have limited, ang sa adults limited lang ang academic skills, like ang ilang level, like for elementary level lang yun. So kailangan gid sila og mga people nga na intellectual disability nga nani, kailangan gid sila guidance, kailangan gid sila assistance, so that dili sila maglusod sa ilang personal daily life. So another one sa moderate level sa conceptual domain is typically require additional support and learning opportunities over an extended period of time, and maladaptive behaviors is present in significant minority and causes social problems. So it means that a notable portion of individuals exhibit behaviors that are not conducive to their well-being or the well-being of others. The behaviors can have negative consequences and impact social interactions and the overall functioning of communities. Mas okay pa kayo sa mild mild level is moderate level, medyo ligas na. And then we have go on severe level sa conceptual domain. So, I read, attainment of conceptual skills is limited. It means that an individual ability to understand and apply abstract ideas, concepts, and theories is restricted or constrained. So, limitado ra gyud ang ilang pagkuan sa ilang skills because of their impairments. Also, generally has limited understanding of written language and concepts involving numbers, quantity, time, and money. Maglisod sila og sabot. Also, caretakers provide extensive support for problem solving throughout life. So, sa ilang mga caretakers nga sa ilang mga caretakers need nila og need nila assistance and caretakers to proceed their personal daily life. So now we'll move on to the profound level of conceptual domain. So conceptual skills generally involve the physical world rather than symbolic process. It refers to a specific category of skills related to understanding and interacting with the physical world. Conceptual skills focus on physical world and the ability to comprehend and interact with the objects, events, and attributes within it. These skills involve the ability to recognize and differentiate between different physical objects, understand their properties, and make connections between them. So like their imaginations na sila own world. It require additional support and instructional strategies. This can involve using concrete materials, using visual aids, hand-on activities, and repetition to facilitate understanding and mastery of conceptual objects. So another one is may use object and goal-directed fashion for self-care work and recreation. These are tools enable individual to perform tasks and activities that may be challenging or impossible with assistance. So, kini mo ni mga tools na ilang ginagamit aron wa sila assistance, pwede ni kini ilang gamiton like high-tech. We are modern world generation karon na high-tech na itong magamit. So, naa na tay adi na nato kailangan assistance. So, naa na tay mga tools na ginagamit aron mapadali atong task. So another one, certain visuospatial skills such as matching and sorting based on physical characteristics may be acquired. For example, individuals with intellectual disabilities may learn to match objects based on color, size, shape, or pattern. Sorting entails organizing objects or images into specific categories or groups based on their visual attributes. And co-occurring motor and sensory impairments may prevent functional use of objects. So motor impairments can affect the control and coordination of movements, making it difficult for individuals. An example ani is katong impairments sa di kalakaw, walay di kalihok sa kamot ana, so maglisod gud sila lihok sa ilang daily personal life. So, example ani is as another example of this is kanang nasa lay gusto kwaon di nila makuha kanang need din nila og guidance. So mas grabe gud ang profound level and severe level, and unlike those sa mild and moderate lang. So kailangan ni sila assistance or caregivers. Now we're all done sa conceptual domain. Now let's move on to the social domain. So there are 4 levels gihapon, the mild, moderate, severe, and the profound level. So let's start with the mild. So in social domain, severity level mild, more immature in social interaction compared to typically developing age matters. It means that the social skills and behavior may be less advanced or less developed compared to others of the same age who are typically developing. So para sa ato is dali ta sa maka-communicate sa atong age peers, but unlike them nga naa sila impairments, maglisod sila less ilang communications. So communications, conservation, and language are more concrete or immature than expected for the age. So mas low gid sila sa ilang the way through ilang communications with those who have the impairments. Difficulties in regulating emotions and behavior in age appropriate fashions. It's referred to challenges individuals may face in managing their emotions and action in a way that aligns with their developmental stage. So in this stage, inani na social domain, maglisod sila, the way sila communicate, maglisod sila because of their di nila makontrol ilang self, di nila makontrol ilang self, di wala sila self-control, ug about sa ilang emotions, di nila ma-manage ilang emotions, or maybe magtantrum sila o kalit, magwild sila o kalit, they didn't know what is the possibilities of communicate ka sila once nga matukar na ilang tantrums. Also, difficulties are noticed by peers in social situations. So, manotice kinato as kita, manotice kinato ang unsay kalhayan nila sa ato. Pero not to be judgmental, need nila guidance. So, limited understanding of risks in social situations. Social judgment is immature for age and a person is at risk of being manipulated by others. So, sa kini nga na mga impairments na tao, so those people who have bad intentions, manipulate nila inani na ay mga impairments, dali nila i-manipulated kay tungod inana sila. So, ilang bitang gamiton in terms of use. So, that is not good. So, despite nga inana sila, we should help them, or we should be their guide. So, may function age appropriately given personal care. It means that with proper self-care and support, an individual is capable of performing task abilities that are expected and appropriate for the age. So, sa mga tao na naiinani, kailangan gina nag-care support para mahimo nila ang personal daily life. So, need some support with complete daily living tasks in comparison to peers. And so that is the napaday. So, in adulthood, supports typically involve grocery shopping. So, pag-abot sa mga grocery shopping, sila pamalito, need po sila kauban. Kay tungod sa ilang mga, di man sila kadayon communicate tungod sa ilang mga impairments, so need sila kauban para maubanan sila o mag-guidan sila sa ilang adtuan. So, recreation skills resemble those of age mates through judgment related to well-being, organization, around. Recreation requires support, so dili ginatin sila i-judge. Instead, help them. Also, in adulthood, competitive employment is often seen in jobs do not emphasize conceptual skills. It means that certain types of job priorities practical